Here are some hidden macOS tips you may have not known about. The colorful cursor. Are you tired of the plain old black and white cursor? Well, you can change that. First, go to System Preferences, Accessibility, then under Pointer you can pick any color you want for your cursor. Want purple? Choose purple. Want yellow for some odd reason? Choose yellow. Next we have Convert Image Files. This one actually comes in pretty clutch. First you have to right click on the image you want to convert, go to Quick Actions, and then click on Convert. It's great if you're trying to send a different image file type to someone, or if you just airdrop it off your phone and you want to convert it to something different other than HEIC. Next we have the Compact Tab Bar, which condenses the whole tab bar into itself. First, to enable this, open Safari, and then click on Safari in the menu bar, then Safari Preferences, under Tabs, enable Compact Tabs. Next we have Shared With You. So if you've been trying to find that website your family or friends sent you a week or maybe even a month ago, well, you don't have to go to your messages to find it. You want to open Safari. In Safari it gives you a Shared With You tab that gives you contacts names that sent it as well as the web page. Makes it really nice. No more having to dig through your messages and just find that website that your friends sent you. Need to sign something and fax it into someone? Well, you can do it with your Mac. To do this, right click on the PDF you want to open, then open the PDF in Preview, go to Tools in the menu bar, Annotate, then Signature. It gives you a couple options. You can either sign it with the trackpad, or you can put your signature on a piece of paper and take a photo of it, and it will add it to the PDF. Can't get an application to close? Well, you can force quit it. To do this, hit Option Command Escape. It will open a small window where all you have to do is click the application you want to quit, and then just hit the quit button in the bottom right corner of the window. Another thing you can do is set a custom lock screen message if you lose your MacBook. Go to System Preferences, Privacy and Security, and then General. And within here you can set a custom message. Did you accidentally delete something and you didn't mean to when you saved the document? Well, Mac saves previous versions for you so you can go back and fix that issue. Go to File in the menu bar, Revert to, and then Browse all versions. It looks similar to Time Machine and can be easy to use. Now this isn't a new feature, I just feel like not a lot of people know about it, so I better include it. You can split screen your windows. Just hover over the green button in the left hand corner and it will split the window in half for most applications. We have Accessibility Zoom. So this feature comes in pretty nice. This allows you to zoom in any application as far as you want. All you have to do is go to System Preferences, Accessibility, go to Zoom, and then check the very first box. Now all you have to do is hold the control button and zoom in by scrolling forward, and to zoom out, you just have to hold the control and scroll back. If you guys like this video, you might like the one up here. And Tech Cafe, signing off.